How to fix your Snapchat crashing. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now, moving towards the video. Now, first of all, you have to open Snapchat on your mobile. As you open Snapchat on your mobile and your Snapchat keep on crashing, then you have to go on the profile option by clicking on the avatar option, and then you have to go on the settings option. Now you have to scroll down. As you scroll down, you have to clear cache. You have to click over here and clear cache of your device. Now the cache is the memory. Now if there is some bug in the memory, it will keep the crashing your device. Now if you clear cache, and this problem will be solved. If this problem is not solved again, then you have to scroll up, and in my feedback option I spotted a bug. Now if you click on I spotted a bug, then you will have to select the bug and then you tell them what the bug you spotted. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So don't forget to hit the like button and comment. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you.